Good morning, respected HM and teachers. Today, we the teachers of KVJakhoo are going to represent an activity on the topic syllables. The English language has many words like chair, table, tree, mango and so many other words. And all the words can split into the different parts. And these parts are called syllables. A word can have 1, 2 or 3 or more than 3 syllables and 4 syllables also.
Ma'am, can a word have 1 million syllables?
No, a word never have 1 million syllables. There are too many syllables.
Okay, then what about the 4 syllables?
Yes, that I have already told you there can be 4 syllables. Syllables is just like a beat. It is like a drum beat and one beat. Drummer, can I have a beat please? Thank you. Very nice beat. We can give this beat with the help of our clap. Now, let's see some example of one syllable.
Day, ray, may, zoo, two, moo.
Now, let's see some example of 2 syllables.
Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
fun day,
fun day,
happy,
happy,
nappy,
nappy,
sappy,
sappy.
Now, let's see some example of 3 syllables. Beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful. Colorful, colorful. Happily, happily. Busily, busy.